I want to gut the cat in my car to improve the response to the turbo, but I'm afraid it'll be too loud and I'll wreck a $2,000 OEM cat. So I found a $95 one out of Canada that I can gut and try first. Here's my new downpipe that came with gaskets and hardware, and you can see inside just how tightly packed the cat is and how restrictive that could be to the exhaust. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all that junk in there. And you can see just how fine the honeycomb is. You can barely see through it. I'm sure that's somewhat difficult for the exhaust to flow through. And here's what the downpipe looks like when it's empty. So it bolted right up pretty easily. It's even in the correct hole down there in the bumper for my last exhaust. So I'm impressed. For $95. Let's start it up and see if we've done a good thing or a bad thing. I data logged a run with the cat and without the cat to see if there were any major changes. And I did find a couple issues. First off, my run without the cat hit fuel cut around 4,700 RPM, so I couldn't even finish my run. You can see my boost shot past my target on both runs, but it's a lot more dramatic on the no cat run. You can see my run with the cat shoots past my target by about 2 PSI and then gently tapers off, a pretty smooth curve. Whereas my run without the cat ramps up much quicker, shoots past my target to about 21 PSI, and then the wastegate opens and dumps the exhaust, where I drop down to 18 and it holds that for a little bit before tapering off. I noticed this in my driving, that the boost builds a lot quicker and the torque comes on a lot stronger. On top of that, I was seeing some knock in my data logs. This is where an upgraded boost solenoid and a retune would help me hold my boost a lot more steady. A couple things I noticed are that the turbo is always whistling. You touch the gas even a little bit and you hear it spool up. It's pretty cool. Kind of obnoxious, but I like it. The thing that's a little more unnerving is just that the turbo sounds like violent during full throttle. I have some upgrades planned for this winter, but a Catless Downpipe's not going to be one of them. It was just a little too loud for street driving. It had a drone at low RPMs. Be sure to check out my other videos, and thanks for watching.